The Quickness of Make Haste, Unpacking the Phrase. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive into an English phrase that might sound a bit old-fashioned but is still quite relevant. Make haste. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Let's find out. Make haste is a phrase that has its roots in older versions of the English language. To make, in this context, means to produce or cause to happen, and haste translates to speed or urgency. So when combined, make haste literally means to speed up or act quickly. Even though make haste might sound a bit archaic, it's used in various contexts, often to add a touch of formality or emphasis. 1. Urgent situations. If someone is in a hurry or there's a sense of urgency, you might hear, make haste. We don't have much time. 2. Literature or formal speeches. This phrase is commonly found in classical literature or in speeches that want to evoke a certain gravitas. 3. As a gentle nudge. Sometimes, make haste is used in a more playful or gentle context, like when nudging a friend who's taking too long to get ready. Come on, make haste or we'll be late. Understanding a phrase fully often means looking at its synonyms. Here are some similar phrases to make haste. 1. Hurry up. This is a more casual and common way of expressing urgency. 2. Get a move on. Another colloquial way to ask someone to speed up. 3. Speed it up, directly asking someone to increase their pace. Remember, while these phrases have similar meanings, the tone and context in which they're used can vary. Make haste has a more formal tone compared to the others. There you have it. The phrase, make haste, is a call for speed and urgency. Whether you come across it in a book, hear it in a movie, or decide to use it in your daily conversations, you now know its origins, meanings, and appropriate contexts. Hope this video shed light on this interesting phrase. Happy learning, and until next time.